In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Zoho mail storage. Whether you're managing multiple emails or simply want to keep track of your storage usage, this guide will walk you through a few simple steps to ensure you always have a handle on your email storage capacity. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Zoho mail inbox. This is your starting point, and where you'll begin the process of checking your mail storage. Once your inbox is open, look towards the corner of your screen where you'll typically find your profile icon. It might be represented by your photo or your initials, depending on your settings. Click on this icon to open your profile settings. Accessing this menu is crucial, as it's where you'll find most of your account settings and information regarding storage. Once you're inside your profile settings, scroll down the page and you'll notice a section dedicated to storage information. This area shows you the percentage of storage space you've already used. It's designed to give you a clear visual representation, making it easy to understand how much of your allotted storage is being utilized. If you're close to reaching your limit, you might see recommendations for how to manage or expand your email storage. It's important to regularly check this storage information, especially if you're an email power user or part of a team that uses Zoho Mail for business communications. Knowing your storage status will help you decide whether it's time to delete old emails, archive important ones, or even upgrade your storage plan if necessary. Keeping your email account well managed ensures you always have room for new messages and attachments without the hassle of hitting a cap. If you're concerned about running out of space, consider setting aside some time each month to clean up your inbox. Delete emails you no longer need, especially ones with large attachments, as these can quickly eat up storage. Archiving older emails that you might need to reference later can also be a helpful strategy. And don't forget, Zoho Mail often has tools that assist in organizing and managing your emails more effectively. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check and manage your Zoho Mail storage. Remember, keeping track of your storage usage not only helps in organizing your emails, but also ensures you have the capacity when you need it most. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Happy email!